Hello students, today we are going to solve the fifth problem. Question is given as the plan of a survey plotted to a scale of 10 meter to 1 centimeter is reduced in such a way that a line originally 10 centimeter long now measures 9 centimeter. It means that after shrinkage the length will be 9 centimeter and the original length will be 10 centimeter. The area of the reduced plan is measured as 81 centimeter square. It means that it is the plan area after shrinkage. Now the actual area in meter square of the survey is. Now we need to find the actual area of the survey in meter square. So first of all we need to find the shrunk scale here. Shrunk scale will be equals to shrinkage factor into original scale. That will be the formula of shrunk scale. Now shrinkage factor will be equals to the shrunk length upon original length. So shrunk length will be 9 centimeter and the original length will be 10 centimeter, and the original scale is given as 1 centimeter upon 10 meter. On solving this, the shrunk scale will be equals to 1 centimeter upon 11.11 meter. That will be the value of shrunk scale. Now we have determined the value of shrunk scale. So shrunk scale whole square will be equals to plan area upon actual area on ground in meter square. Okay. Now shrunk scale is equals to 1 centimeter square upon 11.11 whole square meter square, and the plan area is given as 81 centimeter square. So we will write 81 centimeter square upon actual area. We need to calculate it, the actual area. On solving this, we will get the value as 81 into 11.11 square. The actual area will be equals to 9998 meter square, which will be equivalent to 10,000 meter square. So the actual area will be equals to 10,000 meter square. That will be the actual area of survey in meter square, which will be equals to 10,000 meter square. That is the required solution of this question. Thank you very much, students.